Topic G. Applying emotional intelligence to enhance your team's performance. Emotional intelligence is the capacity to be aware of, control, and express one's emotions, and to handle interpersonal relationships judiciously and empathetically. When you're using your emotional intelligence, you're counting on your soft skills to help both your personal skills and your interpersonal skills. Your personal skills include your self-awareness, self-regulation, and motivation, while your interpersonal skills are comprised of your social skills and your ability to be empathetic. Let's start with self-awareness. There's 3 different elements that go into self-awareness. The first one is emotional awareness, which is being aware of your feelings and perceiving connections between your feelings and your behavior. The next is an accurate self-assessment. This is perceiving both your strengths and your weaknesses. And lastly, your self-confidence. This is expressing potentially unpopular opinions and being willing to take risks. Let's take a look at a few different elements of self-regulation. The first one is self-control. This allows you to remain cool under pressure, stay focused in stressful environments, and control rash or destructive emotions. The second is trustworthiness. This is being able to acknowledge your errors and challenging others in moral conduct. The third, conscientiousness. This is having well-ordered, meticulous approach to your work and being accountable for fulfilling goals. The fourth is adaptability. This is adapting to changing events and interpreting events in a flexible way. And the fifth, innovation. Producing fresh ideas and considering innovative answers to problems. Your interpersonal and team skills will include active listening, your communication style assessment, your emotional intelligence, your ability to influence and motivate your team, nominal group techniques, having political awareness, and the ability to be transparent. Let's take a look at different modes of motivation. It starts with commitment. This is the ability to make decisions based on your team's core principles and realizing the benefit in comprehensive quests. There's also achievement drive, setting tough goals and taking chances, but also driving hard to get those results. There's initiative, working above and beyond towards your goals and inspiring others through extraordinary feats. And optimism, hoping to succeed instead of fearing failure, and seeing reversals as events caused by controllable factors. Empathy is defined as the ability to understand the feelings of another and to see from their point of view. The capacity to empathize is a powerful tool. It provides a foundation for understanding the motivations of other people. There are 2 different types of empathy: the ability to look inwards and the ability to look outwards. Let's start with looking inward. This is the ability to understand others, which means that you're serving others based on their needs. You're observing emotional cues and listening carefully, and displaying tact and appreciating others' point of view. There's also service orientation. This is happily providing proper help and understanding your end users or customers' points of view, seeking strategies to increase their satisfaction, and recognizing their needs. When we refer to looking outwards empathetically, this includes developing others, recognizing and rewarding your associates' achievements, providing helpful criticism, and allowing space for coaching and mentoring. There's leveraging diversity, appreciating various ideologies, and creating conditions where different types of groups can thrive. There's also political awareness, which is understanding political truths and realities of companies and organizations. Let's touch base on some social skill elements, and we'll take this over the next few slides to make sure that we're covering each one individually. There's communication, building bonds, collaboration and cooperation, change catalysts, conflict management, influence, leadership, and team capabilities. Communication. This is managing tough problems directly, effectively exchanging information, cultivating clear communication, and achieving a mutual awareness. Building bonds. This is building connections with your colleagues, establishing large, casual networks, keeping others informed, and seeking mutually rewarding relationships. Collaboration and cooperation. This is fostering a collaborative environment, cultivating options for cooperation, and balancing job duties and professional relationships. Change catalysts. Challenging current situations to appeal for change and advocating for change. Conflict management. Detecting clashes and moving disputes into the open, being able to manage difficult individuals and difficult situations. Influence. Polishing presentations, winning people over, and coordinating impressive events to sell an idea, all in the name of building solidarity and approval. Leadership. Stimulating interest for collective vision and goal, modeling effective leadership, and taking on leadership roles regardless of an official title. And team capabilities. Building team character, attracting group members, displaying team characteristics, and safeguarding the team and its good name. Let's take a look at organizational theory. This is the study of how people, teams, and organizations behave. This will help you to solve problems, motivate people, and meet your stakeholder requirements by realizing physiological needs, the need for safety and belonging, the need for esteem, and self-actualization. There's also active listening. Let's review the 3 key components to active listening. Reflecting, repeating the gist of the message to verify your understanding. Attending, leaning slightly toward the speaker to focus on the speaker at eye level and maintaining eye contact without staring. And following, responding with nonverbal gestures or verbal responses. Ask questions and allowing your speaker a moment to collect their thoughts. Let's quickly review some guidelines around building emotional intelligence with your key stakeholders. First, you want to recognize your own emotions and behaviors and assess how your emotions, attitudes, actions, and behaviors control you. Observe how your emotions affect those around you, and take note of physical nonverbal cues of others, such as a shrug or a smile. Interpret those cues against the context, situation, and your emotions. Remain mindful of the emotions of others. Mirror the behaviors of others when suitable to become better connected, and practice controlling or changing your emotions to better the situation. Congratulations, you've just completed Module 4. We'll see you next time for our last module, Module 5.